Welcome. This video will guide you through using your Tesla Model X key fob. While Tesla emphasizes app-based access, the key fob remains a convenient backup or preferred method for many owners. We'll cover essential functions like opening doors, utilizing the Falcon Wing doors, and remote start. Note that physical keys were discontinued for new Model X vehicles in late 2023, so this fob serves as a primary physical access method for many owners. The key fob is compact and Bluetooth-enabled with a CR2032 battery inside. The fob communicates with the vehicle to unlock doors, open Falcon Wings, and enable remote start. Hold the fob near the vehicle to unlock doors or start remotely. It's easy to use in daily situations. The fob controls the signature Falcon Wing doors that open upward, providing easy access. These doors are a key feature of the Model X. The key fob is a Bluetooth-enabled device that works seamlessly with your Model X. In upcoming sections, we'll explore unlocking doors, operating Falcon Wings, remote start, pairing, battery replacement, and more. To unlock your Model X, press the unlock button on the fob once. This will unlock all doors and slightly open the front doors for easy access. To lock, simply press the lock button once. This will close all doors. The fob's Bluetooth connection communicates directly with the vehicle for secure access. The fob is approximately 2.5 by 1.5 inches. The Model X's signature Falcon Wing doors are easily controlled with the key fob. Quickly double-press the unlock button to automatically raise the rear Falcon Wing doors. This is particularly useful in tight spaces like garages. Note that sensors prevent the doors from opening if obstacles are detected. This feature has been rated highly for practicality by automotive engineers. To remotely start your Model X, ensure the key fob is within a range of approximately 150 feet. Press and hold the lock button for 2 to 3 seconds. This will start the vehicle and precondition the climate control system, a feature especially helpful in extreme weather conditions. Remote start only works if the vehicle is parked and has a charge above 20%. Pairing your key fob is done via the vehicle's touchscreen under controls greater than locks. This process securely connects the fob to your Model X. The fob uses rolling code encryption to prevent cloning and unauthorized access. This advanced security changes the code with each use, making it nearly impossible to duplicate. Tesla has enhanced security features through over-the-air software updates, improving encryption to defend against relay attacks. These updates strengthen protection without requiring hardware changes. The Tesla Model X key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery for power. This compact battery provides reliable performance for the fob's Bluetooth connectivity and button functions. Battery replacement is user-serviceable, meaning you can easily change it yourself without visiting a service center. This design makes maintenance simple and cost-effective. With standard usage, the battery typically lasts 2 to 3 years before needing replacement. However, actual lifespan can vary depending on how frequently you use the key fob's features. Tesla reports low battery failure rates, with only about 5% of key fobs experiencing battery issues annually. This indicates reliable performance from the CR2032 battery technology. The Tesla Model X key fob has some limitations to consider. Its range depends on line-of-sight visibility, and metal structures can interfere with the signal, reducing effectiveness. The fob doesn't support advanced app features like live camera feeds, which require the Tesla mobile app instead. Occasional pairing glitches can occur, but these are typically resolved by resetting the app. The future of Tesla key fobs is evolving rapidly, with current trends showing a clear shift toward app-based access. Tesla's Keyless Go integration has made the physical fob secondary to smartphone control. Future developments may include biometric integration, such as fingerprint scanning directly on the vehicle or fob. This advanced security could potentially render traditional key fobs obsolete. Sustainability concerns are driving innovation toward rechargeable key fobs. This would eliminate disposable batteries and reduce electronic waste in Tesla's ecosystem. Experts warn of potential Bluetooth vulnerabilities in key fobs, such as bluesnarfing, bluejacking, and car whispering attacks. To address these risks, multi-factor authentication combining passwords, phone verification, and biometrics is advocated for enhanced security.